So we've just lifted this Princess 45, it's up for its annual service. Typically when a boat comes into the yard, I'll go around and inspect a few items, check the bearings and the propeller shafts. If they're showing signs of wear, we'll then contact the engineers and ask them to come and ascertain exactly how much work's required and provide a quotation to the owner for those works if bearings, etc. need to be replaced. Just inspect thrusters, inspect anodes, make sure everything's intact. If we've had lost an anode here, I may have to communicate with the owner and say we've got an issue, there may be some repairs required or some other things going on here. We inspect all your strainers on the vessel to make sure that they're on and they're clear, and we clean those up very well. Stern thruster installation, they're a twin propeller, so we're just inspecting it, making sure that all the blades are intact, that it's all engaged, and that the anode on that propeller is there to protect that drive. On most vessels you'll see a sacrificial anode on the metal hardware underneath the boat. So here we have a stainless steel hydraulic platform, and here we have a zinc anode. So the zinc anode is here so that due to electrolysis, which is a natural reaction that you get when you place dissimilar metals in water, it acts like a battery. One metal attacks the other. So we put a less noble metal on, being the zinc anode. So the zinc anode waste instead of the stainless steel structure of the boat wasting away. We also have an anode on our trim tab. It does the same thing. That is here to protect the trim tab.